Is your Android phone running out of battery faster than you can charge it? Don't worry. Today I'm sharing the top proven tips to save battery life and keep your phone running longer. Let's get started. Tip number 1. First up, your screen is one of the biggest battery drainers. Lower your screen brightness or set it to auto brightness so it adjusts to your environment. Also, switch to dark mode if your phone has an OLED or AMOLED display. It not only looks sleek, but also uses less power. Tip number 2. Next, check for apps running in the background. Go to your settings, open the battery section, and see which apps are using the most power. Force stop or uninstall the ones you don't need. You can also restrict background activity to prevent apps from constantly running. Tip number 3. Turn off location services, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi when you're not using them. These features keep scanning in the background and can drain your battery quickly. You can even use airplane mode if you're in an area with no signal. It'll save a lot of power. Tip number 4. Almost every Android phone comes with a built-in battery saver or power saving mode. Turning it on limits background activity, reduces animations, and helps you squeeze out extra hours of usage. Tip number 5. Make sure your apps and operating system are up to date. Developers often release updates that improve battery performance and fix bugs that could be draining your battery unnecessarily. Tip number 6. Limit unnecessary notifications. Each time your screen lights up and your phone vibrates, it uses battery. Turn off alerts for non-essential apps to save both battery and your sanity. By following these tips, you can easily extend your Android phone's battery life and avoid those low battery warnings at the worst moments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can save battery too.